go ahead and take a look now, a closer look at what we know about Casey White this afternoon. Again, he was here at the Lauderdale County Jail on capital murder charges in the death of Connie Ridgway. Now, Connie Ridgway died. She was murdered in a Rogersville apartment back in 2015. Over the weekend, Way 31 spoke with her sons to talk about Casey's escape and what this means to them. They're obviously upset and shocked. They want to know why he was out, why he was ever able to get out in the first place. Why was he back here in the Lauderdale County Jail? They fear that he will hurt someone else.
Not worried as much about us, but anybody that comes in his path, because he's a violent, dangerous person.
Again, now Casey faces the death penalty. So right now, law enforcement say he has nothing to lose. The death penalty is on the table for capital murder charges. And that's really one of the biggest concerns over Vicky White's safety is Casey White has nothing to lose. Now, why was he here in the Lauderdale County Jail in the first place? Well, we understand from Sheriff Singleton that he was transferred here from state prison on February 25th for court proceedings. He had to make several court appearances, and he was set to be here until the end of May for those court appearances. With capital murder cases, they have to be present because there's just a lot more that goes into these types of trials. His trial date was set to begin June 13th. So that is why he was here and not in state prison. Again, the sheriff's office has really employed a lot of resources, a lot of people coming to the table to come and assist. Of note, the U.S. Marshals Gulf Coast Regional Fugitive Task Force, the FBI, ATF, Secret Service. Of course, all local and statewide authorities are pooling their resources, trying to locate Vicky White and Casey White. They say this case takes top priority for just the fact that they are an extreme danger to the community and to anyone they encounter.
This is now a major case for the United States Marshal Service, which triggers additional resources. I won't go into the exact number that we have on site in other locations also. But as the sheriff said, we are receiving tips. We're following up on each and every one of those tips. So we're fully committed to this investigation.
Again, if you see Casey White or Vicky White out and about, do not approach them. Your best bet is to keep your distance, to call 911. Sheriff Singleton sharing earlier today, he understands that another law enforcement agency, other law enforcement officers may be the ones to encounter them. And he says, best bet, call for help. Do not try and approach them alone because they fear that Casey White has nothing to lose and they don't know what he is willing to do to escape further, of course, at all costs. He's 6'9", folks, so he is going to stand out in a crowd. It is possible that they could have altered their appearance. So just keep in mind, if you see something, say something. Any tip will go a very long way. Again, they're offering up to $10,000 in reward money for information leading to their capture and return here to Lauderdale County.